I thought these tires would grip better in sand. What the hell? Oh, dude, it's so windy, too. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Dude, I thought I was gonna be able to. Oh, I'm actually... my legs are genuinely freezing. Like, I'm literally... my legs, every single muscle in my legs are activated. Death missile. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Dude, I thought the washout was like right in front of that sign. What the fuck? What the hell even are these? Those are fish. Oh my God, that light is so damn bright. Dude, these are genuinely just fish. Do you think I can ride across it? What? Like, this is so weird. I've never seen anything like this before. Alright guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Wait, why is this suddenly... I was about to say, it's kind of warm now. Dude, I'm going way faster than I think I am. It's just because it's not night anymore. Alright, 50 at night feels like fucking 100 miles an hour during the daytime. Dude, usually the washout is a little bit more spectacular than this. I'll throw up a video of, or I'll throw up a picture of what happened last time I drove through the washout here. Yeah, yeah. Dude, donuts are so fun down here. Should I do it around her car? No. And she's driving now, so like... that would be funny though. Bro, dude, I saw she was looking at me, bro. I know, I'm contemplating literally just driving up there and driving around and looking at them houses. Or we'll do it in fourth so we're not making too much noise. Oh, oh, there's nothing there. I can go this way. Yeah, it seems like no one's actually buying any of these. That is so scary. That is so scary, because to do that, you literally need to be gripping the absolute hell out of your bars, right? And, like, holy shit, bro. Alright, let's go ahead and ride around in here. It's pretty cool, or whatever. How do we even get up to the next level? Do they even have the next level built in yet? Dude, this is sweet. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the road now because I'm not trying to get in trouble. Because there's that dude who's waving me off of it. Oh shit, there's a ditch over here. What is this guy doing? Is he trying to tell me like to go somewhere or not to go somewhere? Alright, I guess we'll be done for the day then.